Welcome everyone. On this Vegas NOLA Man, a look at myVegas Slots Mobile. The easiest and most convenient way to get comps. Even if this is your first trip to fabulous Las Vegas, you can get free rooms, tickets, discounts, and more. And no purchase or gambling is required. Kick it! By playing the free myVegas games, you earn big rewards that can be used in Las Vegas and other MGM destinations around the world. There are 7 different ways to play myVegas. This video covers the basics of the myVegas Slots mobile app. I like this version because it's one of the 3 myVegas games that allow you to earn the all-important VIP points. And its easy accessibility and simple gameplay make it a good entry level to the world of the myVegas games. Download the myVegas Slots app from the Google Play Store to your phone or tablet. You will be prompted to sign up for your account through Facebook. Here's the important part. To get your rewards, you want to sign up through Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook account, or you don't want a Facebook account, just create a ghost account with just your name and no pictures, stats, or friends, so you can get your rewards. Make sure the name on your account matches your ID and your email. When the game loads up, you will receive your daily bonus prize, which consists of free chips, loyalty points, the gold coins, and VIP points, followed by offers to buy more chips. Just click past these offers. Once you have clicked past the offers, the home screen will pop up. On the top left side of the screen is the experience level indicator. Every time your experience level goes up, you get more chips. The gold coins are your loyalty points. You use these to redeem rewards. In this myVegas game, the loyalty points are earned by how much time you spend inside the game. And basically, to start out with, the maximum daily loyalty points you can earn is 4,000 per day. There are ways, however, to get more than that. More on that later. Next up is the buy button. Here you can put money into the game to buy chips and VIP points. And up next is your VIP level. This is the only mobile myVegas game that allows you to earn VIP points. Higher VIP levels lead to better rewards. Also at higher levels, you will get more daily loyalty points and they will accumulate faster. And that's why this game is the easiest way to get the best rewards from the myVegas games. The way you earn VIP points is by collecting daily and hourly bonuses, putting money into the game, and playing the Facebook desktop version of myVegas Slots. And ultimately, the only way you can reach the highest VIP levels is by putting money into the game. The purple chips are used for playing the myVegas Slots, and how many you have and how you use them does not affect how many loyalty points you receive. Hit the gearbox icon for settings, sharing, and more info. On the bottom left is the hourly bonus icon. You can collect an hourly bonus every 2 hours. And after that, tap it again to collect even more chips by watching quick advertisements. Click here to play other players in tournaments to win even more chips. Click here for the High Roller Room, VIP level 3 and above. Hit the Rewards tab to redeem your rewards. There are many rewards available, featuring rewards to MGM properties around the world. A player's rewards are going to vary by VIP level, player history, and the time of year. You use the gold coins, the loyalty points to purchase your rewards. If you have a change of plans, you can cancel your rewards and your loyalty points will be refunded. At VIP levels 1 through 3, you are allowed 3 premium rewards per stay. VIP level 4, you're allowed 4 premium rewards, and so on. Premium rewards include free rooms, tickets to attractions, casino free play, and cocktails with no purchase required. And you are allowed only 1 free stay per month, and you cannot be a Nevada resident. And you are allowed as many non-premium rewards as you can handle. Let's take a look at my current offers for Mandalay Bay. Here are some offers for exclusive room rates and discounts, and you can find lower rates online than what is offered here. But if you do book for 2 nights or more through this reward, you're eligible for the casino free slot play. Next up is a complimentary cocktail at Rhythm and Riffs Cocktail Lounge, $25 off nail service, free tickets to Shark Reef. Notice that these rewards say sold out. These rewards are released in a limited amount daily, so be diligent and check back from time to time. I've been to Shark Reef 3 times and have never paid for a ticket. Next is the casino free play you can get if you booked your room through the app. Otherwise, you can get a free room for 2 nights per player. You will not be eligible for the free play, and you still have to pay resort fees. I personally prefer to do the free rooms and then do the $20 trick upgrade at check-in. By doing this at my last stay at Mandalay Bay, I got an executive suite for 2 nights for only $55 a night. If you'd like to see more, check out my Mandalay Bay video. I put a link in the description box below. When you purchase your rewards, you will redeem them through your MLife account. If you do not have an MLife account, you should set one up in advance. It's easiest just to download the app to your phone. And make sure the name on your MLife account matches the name on your myVegas account, email, and Facebook account. For room and ticket rewards, a link will be sent to your email. On other rewards, a code will be sent to your email and recorded in your myVegas wallet. Present the code to the MLife desk inside the casino, along with your ID and MLife card. If you do not already have an MLife card, one will be issued. From there, you will receive a voucher, or the reward will be loaded right onto your card. Back on the home page, hit the Favorites tab to get easy access to your favorite slots. Tap Jackpots to get quick access to all games that have progressive jackpots. And finally, the inbox is used to send and receive gifts to friends. Another way to increase your chips. So all you have to do now is choose a slot game to play. And since gameplay does not affect your rewards, I like to play Luxor Links. This game takes the least amount of effort to play, so I set it on autoplay so I can multitask. So that's the basics to myVegas Slots Mobile. Keep in mind there are 7 different ways to play myVegas across 5 different games. And you can link these games across Facebook to increase your daily loyalty point total. The other games are Pop Slots, myKonami Slots, myVegas Bingo, and myVegas Blackjack. There is also a desktop version of myVegas Slots and Konami Slots on Facebook that offers a deeper player experience into the world of myVegas. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.